Hi, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. If you're new to my channel, then hi. If you're returning, then what's up? I don't know why I said that. Anywho, we'll just brush over that. Yeah. Hi. I thought I would give you an update on my Lookiero order that I received the other day. If you watched that video, if you haven't, go watch it. If you did, I just wanted to give an update. There was nothing wrong with the stuff, with the issues and that, but I just wanted to update with regards to the returns. I ended up just keeping the jeans, so obviously had to return everything else. I didn't realise that it wasn't Royal Mail. It's actually DPD that they use for their returns. And on requesting to do the return, I found out that my nearest drop-off for DPD is in Inverness. That's 35 miles away from where I live. Yeah, bit of a trek. I actually had Monday off work, so I used that opportunity to go through with the stuff, but I wouldn't necessarily always have that opportunity. So I had to go through to Inverness to their Matalan shop to drop off my items. So I won't be ordering from them again, but just basically purely because of that. Which is a shame, because I quite like getting these boxes and having surprises inside, but I just can't justify a 35-mile journey to go drop off some clothes. So that's 70 miles, sorry, so 35 there, 35 back, 70-mile round trip to drop off some clothes. No. But I did use the opportunity whilst I was in Inverness to go to Primark, because that is my nearest one. So I picked up, so I thought I'd show you what I got. It's only a couple of items, or a few items, so don't panic, it's only a few. First of all, I picked up some joggy bottoms, just for relaxing in the house and that sort of thing. But yeah, just some joggy bottoms. I've got an elasticated waist, and elasticated bottoms. They have pockets, which is good if you like a pocket. The wee drawstring bit with a toggle at the front there. These are really comfortable. They were only £13. They are so comfy, so comfy, and very flattering. As you know, if you've watched my previous videos, I'm very conscious of my stomach. And normally when I wear trousers, I have to wear my t-shirts over the top to hide the wee, not so wee, stomach. With these trousers, I don't have to do that. I don't know if it's just the way they sit or what, but yeah, I don't feel that you can see anything that I don't want you to see with regards to my stomach. Yeah, they're really flattering. So I would totally recommend these. And you could wear them with trainers. You could dress them up with some boots, a denim jacket. I love them, absolutely love these, and I say for £13, I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this. I also got a cardigan. It's autumn. I'm in the northeast of Scotland. It's getting cold. And so cardigans, layering up. It's all about the layering up. You have to layer up, don't you? It's so annoying. You have to layer up, because when you go, especially when winter comes, and you go into the shops and oh my God, the heating's on full blast, and you're like stripping up, sweating, because it's just freezing outside, boiling inside. So yeah, I got this cardigan. It's in this lovely dusty pink colour, and it's got some rose gold button detail on the sleeve. It's a long one. It comes to just below my bum, and it's got pockets. It's just hangs, no buttons kind of on the front. It's just an open cardigan, but it's lovely, and it's so nice on, and it's so soft. I mean, I don't know how to wash, obviously, Primark might not wash that great, but that was only £9. It'll do me, even if I just get one season out of it, for £9, that's fine. And then the last item I got from Primark was just a black skirt, midi skirt. It was in the sale, it's got like a split at the front there, and a zip back, and that was a £5. But it's just a plain black skirt, £9, so just a plain black skirt. It's actually a wee bit too big for me, because you can't try anything on at the moment, can you? Joy. So you have to buy, take it home, try it on, take it back. I'm not taking it back, it's Inverness. I'm not going another 35 miles. So yeah, unfortunately it was too big. But I don't know if anybody else struggles in the shops with sizes. They're all over the place, aren't they? It drives me mad. Even when it's the same clothes, but you're getting it maybe in a different colour, and the sizes are still different. Ooh. So yeah, that's my rant. Sorry. So yeah, a little bit too big. So I'll probably just give that to. I mean, it was £5. I'll probably just give it to the charity shops. But yeah, that was my haul from Primark. But I just wanted to also quickly show you this. I got this in Home Bargains, and it was £8.99. And well, you know, as I'm now a professional YouTuber, I had to get this. It's a ring light. And I'm using it. Can you tell? But £8.99 out of Home Bargains. You know, so if you do YouTube, Instagram, whatever, all you crazy kids do, then £8.99. Go get it. So anyway, that's everything from me. I said I just wanted to update you on what was happening with Lookiero, that I wouldn't be getting another box, unfortunately. But if you do want to try it, please do, and still use my link, so you get your £10 credit. I will put that in the comments below. So please, yeah, use that, get your £10 credit. I'll still get a £10 credit, but I won't even probably use it because I'm not doing a 75-mile round trip. Unless they get a DPD drop-off point nearer to my home, then I might. Anyway, that's all for now. Anyway, take care, and I'll be back soon with my stitch fix. I've got one coming this week, so I'll be back soon. Take care. Bye.